Okay, geometry, please join me on page 616. And when you get there, go ahead and stop this video and read theorem 11.9 for me, and then go ahead and join us back here. Okay, so we're going to do problems 7 and 9 at the very bottom. Okay, and you can see them here on my screen. But first I want to talk about theorem 11.9, make sure we're all understanding the words in there. So it says if a quadrilateral, remember a quadrilateral just is a shape that has 4 sides, okay, so it can be a rectangle, a square, parallelogram, but when a quadrilateral is inscribed in a circle, inscribed just means inside, so you see we have two, these aren't rectangles or squares or any of those things, but they are quadrilaterals because they have 4 sides, okay, as does this one down here. These two quadrilaterals are inside the circle. That's what we call inscribed. You can see all the vertices, all the vertexes, the points are touching the circle. That's what inscribed means. So when we have a quadrilateral inscribed in a circle, then the opposite angles are supplementary. All right, so let's talk about opposite angles real quick. I'm just going to draw a random 4-sided figure here. All right, and they each have 4 angles, right? So opposite angles, look at this little quadrilateral I've drawn. What's opposite with angle 1? Angle 4, right? And what's opposite with 2? 3. So that's what opposite means, all right? Now, supplementary is a word that we've been using all year. Supplementary means that angles add to 180, okay? So that's what we're going to do here. So let's go ahead and look at problem 7 here, these angles in the blue quadrilateral. So let's pick a pair of opposites. What's opposite with this 100? The y, right? The y is opposite. So what's 180? These two have to add. Theorem 11.9 says they have to add to 180. They're supplementary. So if we say 180 minus 100, it gives us y. 180 minus 100 is 80. All right, what's opposite of x? 95. So remember, these two have to add to 180 because they are also supplementary. So 180 minus 95 is 85. Okay, let's try problem 9. Okay, let's try problem 9. And this one's a little trickier, so let's just be real careful. What's opposite of 50? It's the x. So remember, these two need to add to 180 because they are supplementary due to theorem 11.9. So 180 minus 50, x is going to give us 180 minus 50. I think it's 130. Okay. Now this one is a little goofy looking, but 80 is opposite of the y here, right? It skips x and it's opposite of y. So what's 180 minus 80? It's 100. Right? So it looks like the y is 100 degrees. Okay, look at problem 8, okay, because we're not going to do this one together. I just want you to look at this one and think. The two angles down at the bottom have that little red square, which means they are right angles, and we know that right angles are worth 90 degrees. Okay, so the opposite of both of them are the x and y up top. So opposite of 90, what do you know about all 4 angles of problem 8? They should all equal 90. Hopefully you came to that conclusion, okay? All right. Guys, let's go to, I have a couple problems I'd like you to try. Let's go to page 619, all right? And I want you to try numbers 32, 33, and 40. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments here, and I can try to help. If not, good luck to you guys.